Good morning, guys. Today is August 7th, 2021, and we're getting a first look at Tronsun version 2. So the website and smart contract has just launched, and let's just take a look at the contract. You can see that there's just been minimal investment so far. So 40,000 TRX, 3,000 US dollars. It's only been 6 transactions so far. So this contract is boasting 4% daily return. It does have a 50% auto reinvestment and 5% insurance fee. They're promising a total ROI of 300%, 15% referral bonuses on 5 levels, 1 withdrawal every 24 hours. And to get started with this contract is 200 TRX. You can see as we're describing it now, the investment is going up. This actually looks interesting. So the insurance fee is distributed when the contract balance doesn't have enough funds for withdrawal. Then this amount will distribute to people that have not received their initial capital. So that's interesting. So I'm thinking that what it means is that as the smart contract starts to cycle down, if people haven't made at least their initial TRX investment back, it'll start pulling from the insurance contract. Let's see. And I don't see, where do we go to invest? Okay, invest now. Let's do TRX, 200 TRX. Did it do anything? Let's see. Okay, it looks like it did. Let's refresh the page. Okay, so here's our stats right here. What I'll do is I'll share the link in the bio, and yeah, and let's see how this goes. It looks interesting.